Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to format microSD card on your TP-Link Tapo C110. Let's get started. So, as a first step, let's talk about what is the formatting of the microSD card. Basically, this is just deleting all of the materials that are on that microSD card. For example, if I will go to this tab which is named Playback and Download, here you'd be able to see this tab which is named Detected Event, in which you'd be able to see recordings of an emotion or a person. And we are not able to delete them manually by clicking on them or by clicking on these three dots. So, to clean up some storage on your microSD card, we would need to go back to the main menu and here go to the settings. Then go to the storage and recordings. Here choose local storage and you'll be able to see here this button which is named Format microSD card. Click on it, you'll see this notification that it will delete all of the data. We click Format and wait a little while until the formatting will be ended. So, after the formatting has been ended, you would see the notification that it has been successful. Now let's check our storage if it really frees up or not. So, I'll go to the same tab which is named Playback and Download, and as you can see, the one video that was here has disappeared. And now I have a lot of storage to record new motions or persons. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.